welcome to my channel, and I'm Susan. I'm here and I want to show you some snap jewelry. We have all kinds of bracelets, rings, and earring and pendants. Also, you can make your own snap jewelry. So, what kind of snap jewelry we have? Later, I will show you. Snap jewelry now is very popular in markets. It is the newest and fashionable trend in the market. Maybe someone don't know what kind of the snap, what is it? So later I will show you, and you will find it is very useful and very flexible jewelry now, because we can change it and we can replace it very easily depending on our moods and our dress. Now here we go and we say. So now I'm put some just snap accessory and with some snap button. I put in the table because I want use the snapper button fits in the snapper ring, and this is snap bracelets. This is a kind of accessories. So what kind of snap charms and snap styles we have? Later one by one I will just introduce. Now we say this is for bracelets and have many kind of the colors. This is have the 6 colors. Also, of course we have more color. Now I just show you 6 colors and have the one. This is 2 strands, one row, and this is also 2 strands, but it's 2 rows. This is 16 lengths, but this is only 18 to 18.5 lengths. It's different. People like different styles, and this is for rings. We have more ring, just accessory for stepper button, but only I show for designs. If you like more, and you can go to our website to choose. Different price for that. Mostly this ring made of alloy, and this is have the spring. We can adjust our size, and this is rings is about size about 7.5. This is about 7 size. This is about 8 size, and price is This is 1.2 US$. And this is 1.2 same US$, but this is more cheaper. This is 1.74 US$, and this is $1.18. Okay, different materials have with different price, and for this also we have price. This one rose is already near $1.43. About this one? This is $2.009. Okay. Now we finish kind of the ring accessory. Now we need introduce our snapper buttons. This is snap button for heart love. This heart love, many kind of colors in enamel. Mixed colors, at red and this one piece we need $0.45. $0.45. Okay, and this finish this, and this minimum order we need 10 piece. Minimum order we need 10 piece. And this is rhinestones and beautiful hearts. We can send to our friends, our lovers, with such kind of mixed color rhinestone and snapper rings, snap buttons. Okay, you can choose by yourself about this. Okay, now we need to fit into our snapper accessories. Some maybe different people their favorite sense is different. Maybe someone like such called alloy hearts, and someone like this one, rhinestone with rhinestone hearts. Now we try. We use this ring. Okay. We can tie, just put inside tightly. If we don't like this one, we also can choose another one or another rings. We use these rings like this. This is more big facets. Okay. If we don't want this one, we can choose our bracelets, snapper bracelets. This is a pink color, and we put in our hands. You also can adjust your hands. My hand is more a little just slim, slenders. Okay, we choose another this one, but every day you can use one piece, change, and then you can change the new designs. And for the snapper, ginger snappers is all about hot and sour and sweet individuals. So with over 200 snapper designs to choose from, you can create and recreate jewelry that express your personality. So that's a snapper for every personality, every style and every occasion. To change your snappers, simply pry out using your finger. The snapper will detach from the snapper accessory. Can quickly remove and replace new designs. Okay. We use this blue color. Very beautiful. Based mom, this is a good gift for our mother, for mom's day. Okay. And this of grandma. Okay, this is also the gift for holidays. Sweetie. Okay. Mom, okay. This all for love, for hearts, love hearts. Very, very beautiful. Okay? So if you like, you can choose our jewelry on our website, and you can choose more designs. We have many kind of newest design we put in our websites. So don't forget and follow us and visit our websites. You will find more surprise things. Maybe one of is your choice. Okay, thank you for your video. See you next time.